Factors and multiples. The factors of a number are all the numbers that divide into it exactly. We are going to use a listing method to find the factors of a number. The main thing that you need to know is that factors come in pairs. Here's an example. How can we find the factors of 10? We always start with 1. 1 times 10 makes 10, so we add 1 and 10 to our list. Next number after 1 is 2, but 2 times what makes 10? 2 times 5 makes 10, so we have another pair to add to our list, 2 and 5. Between 2 and 5, there are no other numbers that multiply to make 10. So we have found all the factors of 10. They are 1, 2, 5, and 10. Here's another example. How can we find the factors of 16? We always start with 1. 1 times 16 equals 16. So we add 1 and 16 to our list. Remember that we are looking for pairs of numbers that make 16. We have found 1 and 16. Next number after 1 is 2. 2 times 8 equals 16. So we add 2 and 8 to our list. Once we multiply a number by itself, like 4 times 4, we know we have found all the factors because there's nothing else in between. So all the factors of 16 would be 1, 2, 4, 8, and 16. So we are now on to the next part of this lesson, and we're going to be learning about multiples. And we'll start with a nice definition. What are multiples? The multiples of a number are all the numbers in its times table. So the multiples of 2 would be 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, and so on, because these are the numbers in the 2 times table. How can I tell if a number is a multiple of 2? If it ends in 0, 2, 4, 6, or 8, then it's a multiple of 2. The multiples of 5 would be 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, and so on. How can I tell if a number is a multiple of 5? If it ends in 0 or 5, then it is a multiple of 5. The multiples of 3 would be 3, 6, 9, 12, 15, and so on. How can I tell if a number is a multiple of 3? If you add all the digits together and the answer is a multiple of 3, then the number must be a multiple of 3. Here's an example. Is 714 a multiple of 3? 7 add 1 add 4 equals 12, and 12 is a multiple of 3. Therefore, 714 must be a multiple of 3. Now that you know what factors and multiples are, it is time to try our questions.